In today's video, I'll show you how to create a cinematic opening where black bars move on the screen, making it feel like the scene is slowly waking up and coming into focus. First, open your project in CapCut Mobile and make sure your video clip is placed at the beginning of the timeline. This effect works best as an opening sequence. Tap on the video clip to select it. From the bottom toolbar, tap on Animation to open the animation options. Next, switch to the In tab because this controls how your video appears at the start. Scroll through the animation list until you find Waking Up, then tap on it. As soon as it's applied, you'll see black bars shifting and opening, creating a cinematic waking up effect before the video fully settles. Remember, this animation is applied directly to the video clip, not as a separate layer. Use the duration slider to control how slow or fast the bars move. A shorter duration creates a quick reveal, while a longer duration makes the opening feel more dramatic and cinematic. Preview the animation and adjust the timing to match the mood of your scene. And that's it. You've successfully added a waking up style cinematic opening in CapCut Mobile. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more CapCut Mobile animation tutorials.